and today I will talk about charts and how to work with live market charts. So the appearance of different charts may discourage many traders, especially newbies. It seems that only an experienced trader can understand and correctly read trading charts, but it only seems so. Each type of chart is designed to make trading more convenient rather than to confuse retail traders. So when you employ charts, it becomes easier to analyze a huge amount of data, so price-based chart analysis becomes more productive and accurate. So for a trader who operates with large volumes of information, usually numerical, it is very important to be able to translate this information to a different, less abstract form. And so trading charts are an introduction to currency pairs trading. So a trader needs to accurately identify trends in advance. And so to identify investing opportunities, you should know how charts are constructed, what different types of charts exist, what are the trending timeframes, and how to set up the visual display of the price action. So in modern trading, there are two basic approaches to the forecast for price in the future. The first is the analysis of everything that surrounds a financial asset or fundamental analysis. I mean, economic calendar, political news, general market commentary, exchange rates, market sentiment, etc. The second one is the analysis of the price itself, or in other words, technical analysis. If it is more or less clear with fundamental analysis, where analysts need to analyze the information about the financial instrument, its financial indices, rumors, news, official statements, then with analyzing the price itself, everything is different. So to monitor the price changes for a financial instrument, special price charts were developed. From school, we know perfectly well that the chart is a line that changes along two axes. So the price chart for a trading activity looks exactly like this. And this is a line that changes along the time axis and the price axis. So when the first charts appeared, computer technologies were not yet developed and traders couldn't follow the price changes on the computer screen. And so that is why investors draw the first price charts on the graph paper. Most often they were dots that, according to the price changes during the day, were connected with a line. So a chart shows graphically the changes in the given data in time as well as relative to each other. And so traders use the following data to build the charts. First data is open, which is an opening price, and which is the price of an instrument at the beginning of a trading period. Then, of course, we have close, which is a closing price, which is the price of the instrument at the end of a trading period. Then we have data high, which is the maximum price for a certain time period. And of course, if high, then we have low, which is the minimum price of a certain time period. Next is volume, which is the number of contracts concluded during a certain time period. And so nowadays traders can see the charts for any time period and for any financial instrument on the computer screen, and they are drawn according to basically the same principles as in the past. They are based on the time and price value. And so the main purpose of the chart is the ability to always refer to historical data and see how the price was changing some time ago. Then, based on these data, you can see some regularities or chart patterns which shows its cyclical nature and suggests a forecast for the future and assume what the price chart will look like after some time. So, how to understand trading charts for beginners? First, you need to open a demo account after you, for example, register on the LiteFinance website. It won't take more than a minute, and it doesn't require the deposit, top-up or verification, etc. But it is necessary to have a look at charts and understand everything we will discuss further in the video. Or you can open other platform for that matter, like TradingView, for example, or whatever. Okay, so first go to the chart of the US dollar versus the euro, namely Euro USD. So first let's discuss a time frame of the chart. And so a time frame refers to a particular period used to plot price quotes and display the chart. For example, In a candlestick chart, the time frame corresponds to one candlestick. If the time frame is M30, each candlestick displays the range of the price changes every 30 minutes. And so you will learn more about the candlesticks chart further in this video. So in a line chart, a dot is the closing price of a time frame. When each 30-minute period ends, the chart shows a dot corresponding to the final value in the period, and then all points are connected by a line. Second is the list of technical indicators in the chart. And so here you can select trading technical analysis indicators that you want to attach to the chart. It is very similar in all platforms. Somewhere, most likely in the upper side, you have button indicators. Or like in MetaTrader, you have a button insert and then you choose the indicators from there. Now let's look at the components of the chart. So first we have the price scale and time scale. So yellow box in the price scale, it displays correlation of Euro-USD currency pairs. So the current market price on the screenshot is 1.12678, which is highlighted with green. It means that you can buy 100,000 euros for 112,678 US dollars right now. And so the green color means that the price is rising at the moment. The red color would mean that it is falling. So the thin horizontal line indicates the current price level relative to the previous quotes. And it is convenient for the visual analysis, of course. And then, as the current price is constantly changing in the live chart, the color of the current price, which is the green or red, will be also changing all the time. And then the blue box marks the time scale that shows the euro value past performance. And so if you point to the candlestick with the mouse cursor, you will see the date of the price below on the time scale, and the price itself will be indicated on the right scale. So it is marked with a black on this screenshot. Then the yellow arrow shows another scale. It allows changing the time of the historical data displayed. For example, if you choose 70, the chart will indicate the price changes over the past 7 days. The green arrow points to the menu switching the type of scales, which is the percentage and logarithmic, as well as the current time and time zone. So it is the same in TradingView, for example. As for MetaTrader, you don't have this option, but don't be judgmental for this platform because it has many other features that those do not have. So now let's discuss a few useful tips. So you can, for example, change the scaling manually by the scroll without scale below. So you can move the chart at a selected scale in any direction. For example, if your scale is 7 days, you can move the price data from the June from 1st to 7th period to the May 1st to 5th period. So you should hold down the left mouse button and drag the graph to the side. So you will still have 7 days period, but simply different dates.